Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, see, we gotta go. All right, we're here in Solala. We kind of took a chill morning this morning. Mark and I stayed up till like almost 1 o'clock in the morning, of course, talking about everything, of course. But we're here in town. They're grabbing some supplies at a hardware store and then they're gonna go to the grocery store. What I love about hanging out with nonprofits is that it puts you right into the community.
Guatemala is beautiful, everybody.
They don't live in some fancy resort that's far away from real life and a community. Today was shaping up amazingly. And after we finished our little morning trip to the city, my friend Lucas drove over to hang out with us for the day.
Oh, me too, my man. How are you?
I'm doing good, doing so good. All right, this is my buddy Lucas. He like works in Guatemala like half the year, but I actually don't know total. I know he works on a coffee farm.
I work for Onyx Coffee. It's a green coffee importer, and we're based in Bellingham, where Josh and his family live. That's where we met. So the harvest for Guatemalan coffee is from December until May or June. So what my wife and I do is, for Onyx, we come down to Guatemala and we live in Huehuetenango. All the coffee that the farmers bring in that we have had relationships with from the past maybe 10, 20, 30 years. We essentially are the quality control team, so we taste it, we score it based on some standards, international standards for coffee, and then we put it together on containers and get it ready to be shipped to the United States.
Sweet, so we just took these tuk-tuks and we headed up to, actually no one's getting out, this woman's house, and she's gonna teach us how to cook a traditional meal. So a whole group of us just mobbed up in these tuk-tuks. It was kind of like go-karting. It was sweet. So here we go. Catching up with friends and walking the back streets of rural Guatemala makes for some great memories. As we approached Estela's house, we moved over the flimsy tin door and she welcomed all of us. Estela started out by welcoming us. However, she had just lost her mom not that long ago, and she was apologizing for all of her tears. It was again just another real human moment of a community of people who are in real relationship, as we told her to not be sorry and that we appreciate her and that it's gonna be okay.
You gotta get enough water on it.
She's laughing. I'm not doing good at all, guys. I don't know. I don't think I'm doing this right at all. Here?
¿Sí? Oh, excelente.
Mark keeps dropping his, so he's done.
I'm done. Wait.
I have no idea.
What do I do with this?
Yeah.
Ah.
No más, mano.
Se terminó.
I don't get it.
What are you doing?
I don't get it. I don't speak Spanish.
Gracias. Gracias.
Provecho.
Provecho.
Ready to eat, Mark?
I think so.
Quiet in here.
I know.
So we just got done eating. It's delicious. Got some cool shots. I think we need to leave, but that was it. Here we go. So much fun whipping around in this thing.
Oh, it's fun, dude. It's such a blast.
See the video of you guys up on the mountain, and it's just like,
Yeah, we're just bouncing around like it's just
like no big deal.
yeah, it's been a lot of fun.
everybody got to make a tortilla and throw it on the fire thing that's happening. Except for me, for some reason, and then you have to like throw it between your hands. And for some reason, my tortilla just goes flying. And it just falls on the floor, and they just look at me like, oh my gosh, that was the last tortilla that we had in the house. Are you kidding me?
Mark royally screwed that one up. Like, I don't even know how he did that. And this view.
What view?
Tell me who you are. Who is this guy?
Hi, my name is Stefan.
How's the sunset tonight? You know, you've been here a lot of times.
It's like a 5 out of 10.
That's so crazy, because he's not joking. This is like a 10 out of 10 anywhere.
That's rad though, because it's purple and it's exploding a little bit over there.
Oh yeah, the volcano's going.
That's nice.
Once we've kind of built up the anticipation, like what are they filming? All of a sudden we're gonna do a 120 frame shot with that mountain.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you.
That mountain right in front of Josh.
Mark. Brilliant! Oh my gosh, it's so good.
Let's go.
Something like that. Moving along.
Ella se fue para su clase. Cuando estaba aquí, ella estaba en la clase. Y yo cuando vengo, no estaba aquí, estaba paseando el camino. ¿Y sabe por qué lo llevaron? No lo vi.
Man, I just wish so bad that we could be here.